Add your clips, go to FX, add sharpen, intensity, value 30. Go to FX, search CRRGB, alphabet RYGA. Go to filter, select N0, intensity 100. Go to filter, select cinematic, choose CA16, intensity 60. Add another filter, so go to dream, select first filter, intensity 30. First CC ready. Add sharpen, intensity 30. Add RGB, alphabet RGGA. Add light glow effect, threshold 50. Add filter, cold 1, intensity 75. Second CC done. Add sharpen, value 30. Add saturation value -52 and web 80. Add light glow effect, threshold 50, intensity 47. Go to cinematic, choose CA3, intensity 27 and go to cinematic, choose CA23, value 66 and third CC is done.